Going.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
What's your problem, old lady?
Like to buy this? I got a problem with this. It says Breeders, and it should say Packers. Can you change this because it's not what I like? And this ketchup is halfway gone.
That's because I used it in my burger last week,